Darling, you dahine. I was wondering, Beku kesi ifefe. What is on your mind? I'm just waiting for you to tell me, baby. Even my bed, so I know I'm on your mind.
What was it, lad? I saw, I conquered. Look at that. These three old farts. He beat my hat! My hat! No!
He touched my bed, so I know that I got you, baby. Oh, love is since the day I found you. Man, I do it my bed over. I will love you over and over.
Kia ora.
She was a dime, I caught her on the lights to come down and put it on me. It caused a scene when she burned into my atmosphere. Been on cloud nine, but it's a matter of time till she gets released. Now I see she's been smoking since she landed here.
Alright, so VIP business. See that cave there? Let's go. Let's go inside. Let's go check it out. Legend has it, there's a massive taniwha there. Guards the cave. Protects the cave. Apparently. So, we're going to do the unthinkable. Go inside. Check it out. These lads are following me in. Let's go have a bit of a nosy. Here's a gaze. See what's doing inside. See if we can find the taniwha. Alright guys. Almost there, we've got to just cross this little river. To get into the cave where the taniwha supposedly lives. Whew! Alright, so we're here. Let's go in. Tell you what, freaking cold in here. Look, there's no footprints and others. Just the same. So, there we go. There's a lot of nervousness. Let's see where this taniwha is. Oh, I think that's the taniwha there. That's the taniwha. Lad, that's the taniwha, the music lad. Doing lad. I found the taniwha. He's a party taniwha lad.
I know what to say, but every time I'm with you, I wanna get it. Every time I miss, I wanna hit it. And every other day, I need it every other way. Every time I'm with you, I wanna get it. Every time I miss, I wanna hit it.
So now we're going into the cave, the doom of death. What's it good? Yeah? Is it scary? I need a light.
Flashlight.
I think you must be good. I need a light. No.
Turn the flashlight on.
It is on. Oh, fuck, I'm too scared.
Hi. Well, yeah, this is the depths of it. That's the corner right there.
Yeah, I can't even see.
Yeah, I know. It's the dark. Yep.
Wait, let me look in front. I'm too scared. That's dark. Heaps of these can fit in there. Yeah, but I'm not calling. What happened to him?
Let's try to just give us some more spaces.
My feet are swollen up because they're cold.
How we get so, how we get so, we get so high, we get so high. No lie, it's the hardest damn thing I tried to leave.
And that's our vlog. Thanks for joining us, guys. We really appreciate the support and